How to withdraw money from Bitget to Wing Money. Now, first of all, open your Bitget account. Now, from the top left corner, tap on your profile icon. After that, scroll down a little bit. Under popular, you will be able to see the P2P option. I'll tap on it. And now, after that, select the cell. And now select the token that you want to withdraw. For this case, it will be USDT. And now set the limit that you want to withdraw, like 100. And click tap and confirm. From the top right corner, tap on USD. Now select your currency that you want to receive your money on. And now just after you select it, now tap on method. And here, search for your bank. In this case, it will be Wing Money. Now tap on it. And after that, select the merchant that you want to sell your token to. After you select it, now tap on it. And as you can see here, tap on go to settings. And now tap on add to add your bank account. Now search for your bank from here in the search bar. In this case, it will be Wing. Now tap on it. After that, provide the phone number. Now the account number provided here. And now if you want to provide the remarks, and now as you can see, you can upload the QR code and tap on confirm. So after you add your bank account, now just go back and now tap on sell, and you will be able to withdraw your money from Bitget to Wing Money. So this is how to withdraw money from Bitget to Wing Money. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.